Good morning children. Today we can see the section of testicle in male reproductive system. As you know, the testicle produce male gamete sperm and male sex hormone testosterone. And it enclosed inside the scrotum. Now we can see the section of testicle. See, the outermost layer of testicle is a fibrous cord which is known as tunica albuginea, which is tunica albuginea. And there is one more outer layer over the tunica albuginea, which is the outermost layer, and that is known as tunica vaginalia. Tunica vaginalia. Tunica vaginalia. So, which is the outermost layer of testicle then? This is the tunica vaginalia, and inner to the tunica vaginalia we can see the tunica albuginea, which is a fibrous cord. And there are some infoldings. There are some infoldings inner to the fibrous cord, and these infoldings are known as testicular septum. So this is the testicular septum. Testicular septum, plural septum. And this testicular septum make compartments inside the testicle. And the number varies from 200 to 300 in each testicle. So in a single testicle, we can see 200 to 300 compartments or testicular septum. So this lobules or compartments are known as testicular lobules. Testicular lobules are the compartments. Okay. And now we can see some highly coiled structure arise from the testicular septum. You can see some highly coiled structure arise from the testicular septum. See, in the beginning it is coiled, but when come towards the end, it is little bit straight. You can notice that. And this highly coiled structure is known as seminiferous tubule. Seminiferous tubule. And the number of seminiferous tubule varies from 1 to 3 per lobule. That means in each compartment or in each lobule we can see 1 to 3 seminiferous tubule. So there may be a chance of having around 900 seminiferous tubule in a single testicle. So total we can see the maximum range of 1800 seminiferous tubules are there in each testicle. And now we can see the lining of the seminiferous tubule. See, the lining of the seminiferous tubule is called germinal epithelium. Germinal epithelium. So, germinal epithelium is the lining of the seminiferous tubule. And this germinal epithelium consists of two types of cells, which are germ cells and Sertoli cells. Germ cells and Sertoli cells are present in the germinal epithelium of seminiferous tubule. And now we can see the germ cells and Sertoli cells in detail. First we can see the germ cell. Germ cell. Germ cell is also known as spermatogonia. Spermatogonia or male germ cell. And this germ cell undergo meiotic division. Meiotic division to form sperm. And that process is known as spermatogenesis. So what is spermatogenesis? Spermatogenesis means the process of formation of sperm from the male germ cell or spermatogonia by meiotic division. That is a spermatogenesis. And this spermatogonia or male germ cells, this is a site, as I told you, see, seminiferous tubule is a place where sperm formation occurs. So which part of the seminiferous tubule form the sperm? Germ cell or male germ cell or spermatogonia. Is it clear? Now we can see the Sertoli cells in detail. Sertoli cells. See, Sertoli cell is also known as nurse cell. So which is the nurse cell of male reproductive system? Sertoli cells. Why it is called so? Because the Sertoli cells provide nourishment to the germ cell for sperm production, and it also provides nourishment to the various stages of spermatogenesis. Because the sperm production or spermatogenesis involve several stages, and these several stages of development is nourished by this Sertoli cells. So it is also known as nurse cell. So the function is provide nourishment for the development of sperm and to the germ cell also for sperm production. Let's see once more. When we see the section of testicle, we can see an outermost fibrous cord which is known as tunica albuginea. Outer to the tunica albuginea, we can see one more protective layer which is called a tunica vaginalia. And inner to the tunica albuginea, we can see several septa or infoldings, and that are known as testicular septum, and that leave compartments or lobules which are known as testicular lobules. So here around 200 to 300 lobules or compartments are there inside the testicle. And in each lobule we can see 1 to 3 seminiferous tubule. And the seminiferous tubule is the place where sperm formation occurs. And the inner lining of the seminiferous tubule is known as germinal epithelium. The germinal epithelium consists of two types of cells, which are germ cells and the Sertoli cells. The germ cells are also known as spermatogonia or male germ cell, and which undergo meiotic division to form sperm. And the process of formation of sperm by the male germ cell through the process of meiosis is known as spermatogenesis. And now we can see the Sertoli cells. Sertoli cells provide nourishment to the germ cell for sperm production and also nourish the various stages of spermatogenesis. So it is also known as nurse cell. That's all for today.